Change is imminent, but only some change can drive greater good, can alter the existing paradigm, can elevate the quality of life. Changes like these have the power to truly transform, to usher in a new era. Biocon has been a champion for meaningful transformation in healthcare for over 4 decades. From being pioneers in developing, manufacturing, and commercializing biosimilars in India, today, Biocon Biologics is recognized as an important global biosimilars player. We are recognized for expanding equitable access to high-quality biologics through the power of affordable innovation. We have a world-class scientific talent pool with R&D experience of developing biologics for global markets. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities adhere to the most stringent regulatory norms, with accreditation from some of the top regulatory agencies. In fact, we are one of the largest insulin producers in the world and among the largest producers of antibody drugs in Asia. We have transformed the global pharma landscape with our game-changing firsts in the biosimilars space. Our products have been trusted by millions of patients across the world. We have built one of the broadest and deepest portfolios of biosimilars in the industry. And our relentless drive to address the global unmet need for affordable life-saving drugs has led us to seek full vertical integration across the biosimilars value chain. The acquisition of global biosimilar business of Viatris is yet another step in consolidating this vertically integrated model for healthcare equity and takes us closer to our mission of delivering affordable medicines to billions of patients globally. This acquisition transforms Biocon Biologics from a collaborative model to a leading global biosimilars player. Besides the addition of partnered and in-licensed biosimilar assets, this new commercial engine propels us closer to both patients and payers. We will also be adding new generation vaccines to this formidable biosimilars portfolio through our alliance with the Serum Institute. Our growing commercial footprint across geographies demonstrates our resolve to provide more affordable and equitable access to world-class healthcare. We've grown because we've embraced change to alter the paradigm. Because we're committed to elevate the quality of life. Because we've focused steadfastly on transforming healthcare and, in turn, transforming the lives of patients worldwide. Biocon Biologics. Transforming healthcare, transforming lives.